Hi everyone. Did you delete your email account by mistake? Don't worry. You can try to recover it. Enter Gmail recovery. Click on recovery email. Click sign in. Use another account. Enter your email. Click next. Click next. Enter your password. Click next. It was a success. If your account was deleted a long time ago, it may not work. So try as soon as possible. That's it. Thanks for watching.